Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little review of these AUXITO LED lamps. These are some H11 fog lamps that I'm going to go ahead and put in my 2011 Nissan Xterra. The vehicle already has LED headlight bulbs, and I wanted to try out some LED fog lamps just to see how I like the look of them. And I was able to get these off of Amazon for a pretty reasonable price. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up, show you what they come with, show you what they look like, and we're going to go over to the Xterra and take a look at how to install them and take a look at some before and afters with the factory halogen fog light bulbs compared to the LED ones. Okay, so inside the box, the bulbs are just packaged in a little anti-static bag, a one-time use, rip-open type of deal. And this is what the bulbs look like. They're very, very simple. There's not any heat sinks or ballast drivers to deal with and mount anywhere or have dangling behind your bumper. They're pretty straightforward to install and basically are in the same exact package as a halogen bulb would be. So I'm going to go over to the Xterra, take a look at how to pull the factory fog light bulb out and swap it out with this. And I'll show you what it looks like. Before I show you what the fog light looks like side by side with the factory one, I just wanted to give you a quick comparison. This is the LED bulb and this is the factory Osram halogen light bulb in the vehicle. You can see that they are practically identical in terms of their form factor, both in length, filament distance from sealing surface to the actual filament itself, which is good because that's not going to change the focal length of the bulb whenever it's installed in the lamp, so you're not going to be blinding anybody. At least you're going to minimize the amount that you're blinding anybody. And of course the back housing is pretty much exactly the same. So I installed the one bulb in the vehicle. It dropped in just like a factory replacement halogen bulb would. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you a 50-50 shot with one halogen bulb installed and the new LED bulb installed in the other lamp. And I'm going to install both LED bulbs and give you a full idea of what the car looks like with both of them installed. Alright, as you can see, we have the LED fog lamp bulb installed on the driver's side of the vehicle with the halogen factory bulb still on the passenger side. I have LED lamps for both of the headlamps, and as you can see, the driver's side fog light matches those pretty much perfectly. In real life, without the aperture and ISO adjustments I've done on the camera, the bulb, the LED bulb for the fog light is quite a bit brighter as well as wider than the halogen bulb. I don't think it's coming out on camera as well as it does in real life. In fact, it almost looks like on camera that the halogen bulb is brighter. But I can tell you that in real life, the LED bulb is definitely brighter. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the other LED bulb on the passenger side and give you a final look at the vehicle with both of them installed. Alright, you can see here we have the final product. The LED bulbs are installed on both sides for the fog lights. They match the headlights beautifully. And for the 20 bucks or so that I spent on these bulbs, definitely could recommend them if you want to have matching LED fog lights to your LED headlights. I think in my particular case I might tint the fog lights yellow just for a little bit of a different look. I have factory yellow fog lamps on my Lexus and I really enjoy those, so I want to try out that look on the Nissan as well. But again, for the amount of money that these things cost, it's definitely worth a try if you want to play around with LED fog lights in addition to the headlights. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. I definitely recommend these at this time, and I'll let you know if anything changes on that as I run them throughout the course of a year, 2 years, however long they last, and I'll see you in the next video.